We're back to the yeah.
Let's see. Be the first to report breaking news with the Now Local News app. Scan the QR code on your screen to download the app and submit real-time photos and videos of unfolding events. Your quick submissions help keep the community informed and can even be featured on air. Earn points for your submission and redeem them for Visa gift cards. Join the front lines of local news. Download the Now Local News app and share your story today.
At a time when children's mental health is in crisis, we envision a future where mental health is a vital part of growing up.
What do you do to feel happy?
I don't know.
Can you describe what it feels like when you're sad?
I get mad easily. I just lay in my bed and be by myself.
When it comes to mental health, do you ever feel overwhelmed?
I do get overwhelmed. Children don't come with instruction manuals.
You see them struggling emotionally, and you're like, where do I go? What do I do?
You're gonna find tons of things on the internet, but you want it to be from a trusted source.
I felt like everything that I wanted to provide for her, I wasn't going to be able to do.
Is the cable box?
Yes,
Yeah,
we need help.
it's the cable box.
Childhood health resources focus on physical well-being. But what about our kids' mental health? We provide free, expert-developed resources to millions across the United States. Don't wait for a concern or crisis. Early action can be life-changing.
I don't know if they already had it on Channel 8 or not.
Want to know a not-so-secret parenting hack? You can buy and sell kid stuff at Once Upon a Child. They're always...
Welcome back to
Of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
this is the long one.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
We are back. The first weekly test in June. First in summer. First of the summer
Yes,
of 2025.
How many times does it have to scroll? 3 times?
Yes,
Okay.
3 in a row.
3 times in a row? Okay.
Yeah.
It should be the last one then.
And the next will be the last one is for me on my camera will be on Jeffrey's TV with the Spectrum receiver with the RWT. Remember, this is only a test.
It's just Friday though.
Yep.
Okay. Good night.
Okay, stay tuned for the last one for on my Jeffrey's TV, a Spectrum receiver box.
Okay. Good night.
I'll see you in the next one
Yep.
on
Bye.
on my TV.
Bye.
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 All right, we have a last one for this before we end the video. This is the last required weekly test.
Station is testing equipment that can quickly
Yep,
warn you
there
in
it
the event
is,
of
guys.
emergency.
Just right, last in time.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
It has no center and no closed circulation.
There you go. Just right in time. There it is. There he is. It's a black scroll banner. we're back to June to summer on SPC Lincoln 1458. Sorry. Excuse me, just cough. This has been issued at 1:15 a.m. on June 6th, on Friday this morning. Just like about back in a few months ago. Just like before at the end of the 32-year anniversary of elevator photography. She was, because Andrew was about 15 years old. Okay, when the black scroll goes off, and I'm gonna turn this power off. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that being said, that's it. That's it for the weekly test for today, for the for this Friday. Right at the end of the 32-year anniversary of elevator photography back in 1993 at the hotels in Atlanta, Georgia. With so that being said, have a great night. And we'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.